Alright, hey, this is Hans the Ramen Rater coming at you once again with another instant noodle recipe time, the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. Third show of the day. I'm about ready to pack it in and get editing. And I've got this Bari Kata Tonkotsu from Myojo, Japan. The lid isn't as interesting as the cup itself. Here is the graphic on the cup. She's a kitty cat lady. Oh, isn't that nice? Kitty cat lady. That's kind of like the thing. There's like this whole thing with Myojo Charumera varieties. There's a guy with a horn basically announcing, hey, we have noodles. And it's kind of an old school thing. And he has a kitty cat and a horn. And she's the kitty cat. That. Loose stuff from the cup. The noodle block. And you ready for this? This takes 1 minute. Boom. Quite possibly the fastest instant noodle ever. And there is a little goo seasoning thing. Yeah, what's going on? Not much. Just put my daughter to sleep. So, in the kind way, not in the pet keeps wetting on the floor kind of way. But yeah, that was cool. We haven't done that yet. I'll have to see how those came out. And I have a feeling the audio just didn't work at all, which is kind of a bummer. But we shall see, and possibly there'll be more with Mimi. But we've got 10 seconds. Wow, this doesn't seem to be completely done yet. 4, 3, 2, 1. Alright, so 60-second noodles stirred. That piece is not done at all. That's really like pushing it. I know that's now now it's all done. That's fine. Let's get this piece of solidified seasoned oil in the mix. That's what you do. It's how it's done. Trust me. I'm the one who does it. There you go. And now we'll stir with that involved. It looks like a tonkotsu. I'm not going to debate that. It only has that milky look to it, although it's pretty steamy as it is now, so that's about as far as I can get you in on it. Well, there. Milky. Yeah. It smells a little funny. I don't know. Smells more beef than pork, to be honest. Let's try this broth first. It looks... yeah. That's tasty. I ain't gonna lie, that's quite tasty. Here's this ultra thin noodle. Look at that. That's actually decent. Alright. And this is probably going to be the shortest episode of all time, I do think. That 1 minute cook time really takes a lot off the episode. But that's fine, you know. There's plenty more noodles where that came from, folks. Oh yes. Get you guys a little more sequestered. I forgot to thaw out a piece of chashu. Where'd the egg go? Egg. Here's the egg. Alright, egg. I made these eggs this morning. Yeah. Hope springs eternal when it comes to eggs. Whoa, whoa, get back in there. Whoa, whoa. Oh, man, come on. That's good enough, right? To the person who's like, really? You do these videos and just say, okay, that's good enough? It's like, what else am I gonna do, dude? Don't get all uppity. Right? You're making these videos and I don't like them. It's like, okay. Yeah, I will say, though, that I do complain about my viewers and their crankiness way too much, and I apologize for that for those of you that aren't complaining and being very kind. You know, you don't need to hear it. But it's like, I can't help but bitch about it, and that's a problem. I think that's kind of an American thing, and I really apologize. It's embarrassing, and I'm going to have it looked at. The complaint department. I'm gonna put some of this on here. Some Kazami Shoga. It's Thursday, and you know what day that is, ladies and gentlemen. It's the day before Friday. Here, actually, I'm wearing my. I put this on today. Well, I usually put a shirt on every day, but this is my Black Death Malt Liquor shirt. It might look like, I don't know, I pulled it out and I was like, God, that looks almost Nazi, doesn't it? But it's definitely not in any way, shape, or form to do with such things. It's, there used to be a show called WKRP in Cincinnati, and one of the radio hosts, a guy named, it's Howard Hessman, but he played Dr. Johnny Fever, and he had this same shirt. And I always thought it was a cool shirt from when I was like 10 years old. And I looked for it online, and I found it. And I got it maybe like 10 years ago. Nah, it's been a while, but it actually fits now. That's kind of a bonus to doing the whole diet thing, but yeah, so I'll do my little radio thing about these noodles. Alright, hey, this is Hans the Ramen Rater coming at you with another episode of It's Noodle Recipe Time. It's about 12:45 in the, you know, adding a little bit of this and that and the other thing. Hoping to make your day a little bit better. You know, I like wearing shoes. Foot coverings are really enjoyable. I think I just put too many mung bean sprouts on there. Oh my god, it's just too much, ladies and gentlemen. Here's some spring sesame seeds. And here's some shichimi togarashi. Getting into a somber mood here on Instant Noodle Recipe Time. No, we don't want that. Is it this one? No. I don't even want to, I don't know. I'm so sick of the mix that I have on here. Coming up on the 1 o'clock hour, this is the Ramen Rater showing you a bowl of rotating noodles. I really need to get a machine that does this for me. It's a balmy 42 degrees outside here in K-Town. That's Kenmore, Washington. We have soft egg, Kazami Shoga, Salad Cosmo mung bean sprouts, spring onion, sesame seeds, shichimi togarashi, and tonkotsu broth in a light new Bari Kata ramen tonkotsu. And that's it for today. So, yeah. Alright, this has been Hans the Ramen Rater wishing you enjoyment of your noodles every day. Have a good one. Bye.